My name is Ian and welcome to Planted. In this video we're going to pick up where we left off 6 to 8 weeks ago. I've done some various projects that include dividing perennials, and those jobs are very easy. Do them at the right time of the year and you get a lot more success with your plants. But this is the follow-up. This is where they are now, which I always think is kind of nice, because when you see that initial division you think, okay, so what? So here we are. I've divided and potted on all sorts of things, so let's have a little bit of a recap. The first thing is, one of my videos recently, I was potting up agapanthus. These were all in a large pot. I have a number of these in individual pots now, and then they were coming through, just breaking their winter dormancy, only just. But you can see how happy and healthy they are. Lots of nice dark green leaves. This will get planted outside in a couple of weeks. And this just gets me ahead. And when I plant this, I'm not disturbing the roots, as would be the case if I divided them now. And that's the benefit of potting on divisions early in the springtime, so that you have time to get established. So that's the success with the agapanthus. The next one I want to show you is this tray here. Now these were bought mail order, and these came 5 weeks ago, maybe 4 weeks ago, and they were a little bit tired, a little bit rumbled from the delivery, but they've been potted on. The leaves have now all twisted to face the sun. They've not dried out, they've not been waterlogged, and they are really picking up with new growth. So I expect high things of these, but that's why I bought them when I did, so that I have a chance to put out a bit of growth and really get settled before I plant them outside. So this is a plant called Phygelius. I bought 9, the tray holds 8, so this is the lone one. But you can see, small size, good roots, lots of shoots. This is set to explode. Very happy with that. So that's a Phygelius. And then this collection of crazy is one of my favorite plants called the Disporum, Cantoniense night heron. And when you divide a clump, never quite know what you're going to get. But now you can see why they were divided early March, because it's a crown with individual root chunks, to put it bluntly. You see how much growth they've put on now. If I had a nice big clump and I went in there to try and divide it, all of these stems would snap. It'd be very, very difficult to keep these stems safe from breaking. Now what's interesting is that some have put out single large stems, and here's a nice sized pot, but it's only put out 2 stems, 2 small stems. There's a couple more yet to come. So when you divide something, don't fall into the trap of, oh, that's good, that's bad. Pot up as much as you can, as much as you have space for, and let them tell you if they're any good. Very happy with the bigger ones at the back, but I have no doubt that when these all get planted out, they'll have ample opportunity to put out lots of growth. And come late August, this will just be a beautiful sea of arching stems moving in the wind. So this is the Disporum. They get put outside in the daytime, so they get some natural sunlight. That's very important. If you keep them in a greenhouse, the greenhouse temperature will spike, they get very soft and sappy, and then when you put them outside in full natural sun, they'll absolutely fry, and we don't want that. So they go outside in the daytime, come back in at night, and I just see so many of them here putting out a second load of shoots. The first ones came out, and now they're onto the second ones. And I must make the point, if you get little root fragments, don't despair. Here's a little root fragment. I can't throw them away. You might put them all in one pot, you can do that. But these might be given to some friends of mine that like their plants. And there's a little green shoot. And I think there's another one. Oh no, that's a little weed seed. So there's the green shoot. This is the stem that was attached to it last year. So this is going to grow. This is going to have a little lifespan all of its own. And how nice to have this as a trade, exchange, or gift. So waiting to divide plants in late spring, it's not the best time. You want to do it sooner and get them acclimated so that they can grow in the pot, and then you can plant them out whenever you want. So the Agapanthus were a hit, the Phygelius is growing beautifully, and these are ready to go on to their next adventure. So with that, I'm going to say thank you very much. The catalogue at Planted with Ian Cook has got over 250 videos on plants and planting captured over the last 5 years. And if you know of any new gardener, any experienced gardener, any enthusiastic gardener, this is a great collection of what to look for, how to do it, how to approach it. So do share the catalogue with your friends. And on that note, happy spring, happy planting. Bye for now.